Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is x plus 3 over x minus 2 minus 2 over 3 equal to x plus 2 over x minus 1, and we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should convert this mixed fraction into a normal fraction as 8 over 3, and the remaining part of the equation will remain same because this 3 will multiply with this 2 and which will equal to 6, and that 6 will be added in 2, then it will be equal to 8. So here this fraction can be written as 8 over 3, and remaining part of the equation x plus 3 over 2 and x plus 2 over x minus 1 will remain same. Now in the next step we should make this 2 fraction and convert it into 1. For this purpose we should take LCM, and after taking LCM, both of these expressions can be written as 3 into x plus 3 minus 8 x minus 2 over 3 x minus 2, because this 3 will multiply with this x plus 3 minus will remain same, and this 8 will multiply with this x minus 2, and this 3 will multiply with this x minus 2, and other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should simplify this expression as 3 into x will be equal to 3x plus 3 into 3 will be equal to 9, plus minus will be equal to minus, and 8 multiply with this x is equal to 8x, minus minus plus, and 8 2s are 16. This part of the equation 3 into x minus 2, and the other part of the equation will remain same. In the next step we should add up the both of the x value and both of this constant, and as a result we should get 3 minus 8 will be equal to minus 5x, and 9 plus 16 will be equal to 25. Denominator and other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should take common 5 from both of these expressions. As a result 5 minus x will be a remaining value, and 3 into x minus 2 in denominator and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should apply the cross multiplication. X minus 1 will multiply with this expression, and this x minus 2 into 3 will be multiplied with this x plus 2. As a result we should get 5 into 5 minus x into x minus 1, because this 5 into 5 minus x will multiply with this x minus 1, and this part of the equation and this numerator will multiply. As a result we should get 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now in the next step we should multiply both of these brackets and both of these brackets. As a result this 5 multiply with this x, as a result we should get 5x plus minus 5 ones are 5, plus minus x into x will be equal to x square, minus equal to plus, and x into 1 will be equal to x. Now in the next step we should multiply both of these expression of bracket. As a result we should get x into x equal to x square, x multiply with this plus 2, as a result we should get plus 2x. This minus 2x will multiply with this x, as a result we should get minus 2x, plus minus will be equal to minus, and 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now this 2x and this minus 2x cancel out together. As a result we should get minus x square. 5 plus 6 will be equal to 5 plus 1 will be equal to 6x, and minus 5 as remains same. The other outer value 5 will remain same. This 3 will remain same. This both of these value add up together or cancel out together. As a result we should get x square minus 4. We can multiply both of these value on the other way as x square minus b square formula. Now in the next step this 5 will multiply with these three values. As a result we will get minus 5x square plus 30x minus 25, because 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 5 5s are 25, and this 3 multiply with both of these values. As a result we get 3x square minus 12. Now in the next step this 5x square with minus sign plus 30x and minus 25 will move to the other side of the equation. As a result this minus 5x square will convert into positive 5x square. This plus 30x will convert into minus 30x, and this minus 25 will convert into positive 25. Now we should simplify the entire expression as 3x square plus 5x square will be equal to 8x square, minus 30x will remain same, and minus 12 plus 25 will be equal to 13. And you can see that this complex equation now has been converted into a quadratic equation, and you can see that this is a factorizable equation, and this factor or this equation can be written as into factor as 8x square minus 4x minus 26x plus 13 equal to 0. Now we should take common 4x from both of these values. As a result, we should get 2x minus 1 as the remaining value, and we should get minus 13, or we should take common minus 13 from both of these values. As a result, we should get 2x minus 1 as a remaining value from both of these values. Now we should take common 2x minus 1 as a common value from both of the entire equation. As a result, we should get 4x minus 13. Now we should write 4x minus 13 with the equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And now you can see that this quadratic equation now converted into two linear equation, and we should solve one by one both of these linear equations for the value of x. First we should take 4x minus 13 equal to 0, and this equation can be written as x is equal to 13 over 4, because this minus 13 will move from the other side of the equation and convert into positive 13, and this 4 will divide this 13. As a result, we should get first value for the x, which is x is equal to 13 over 4. Now we should solve 2x minus 1 equal to 0, and this expression can be written as x is equal to 1 over 2, and this is the second answer for this x. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.